This is Chad, Premier Comfort Solutions. So today we're out here doing a change out. We got the call, unit wasn't working, low on Freon, but he had a major complaint that his master bedroom over here was not staying cool, not keeping up. So we upgraded him from a 2.5 ton AC to a 3 ton 2-stage AC to help dehumidify, cool his home properly. We're just out here providing solutions for your comfort needs. So this system is going to qualify for tax rebates. We're going to be getting rebates from the manufacturer. Evergy now has a rebate that they will be giving homeowners who purchase high efficiency systems. Different levels qualify for different amount of money. Always contact your tax professional for any tax advice. But we're going to provide an all-around upgrade cooling for this family for the rest of the year. Yep. Should we go ahead and do that air conditioner now, Laura? Mm-hmm. All right. We'll just move that air conditioner around.
Wait.
And contact Premier Comfort Solutions today to see what incentives and rebates we can find for you. 316-680-3314. You can call or text, whatever's convenient for you.